Honestly, feels like just yesterday we were taking the E30 out of the garage, and it's out of the garage today again, and it's actually been only a week. So we got it all loaded up, and now we're gonna take it to the shop to see what the cost is gonna be to fix this thing. These little U-Haul trucks come in very handy, but the 1999 or 1995 is a lie. Might as well sell the E30 and get one of these. Oh, you can smell the E85. Look at those meaty tires. I know we talked about it in the last video that we were gonna find out what happens. We were gonna find out what happens with the car this week. Unfortunately, the guy who was supposed to come look at the car to buy it didn't end up showing up. But today we're gonna go take it to a shop, get an estimate on what it's looking like to fix this car. We're gonna show them all the damage. We're gonna show them all the panels that we're gonna be getting, and then see what it's gonna look like, see if it's worth it. And then from there, I guess we'll start deciding on if we should find a shell, if it's worth it to fix it, if it's in budget, or if we should just sell the car. So all of that is really going to be dependent on this estimate from today, and we'll see how that goes. We just got to Wits End Fabrication, and I'm not sure if you guys can see in there's an absolute monster truck sitting there. That thing is, it looks like it's on a lift, but it's not on a lift, it's just standing on the ground. That, I'm surprised that thing fit through this garage bay door, which is like a 16-foot door. It's huge. You also have this gem right here. Got this Land Rover Defender. It looks like it's in pristine condition. That thing's absolute beauty. I would love to have one of these in my life. Got the E30 here, and he's gonna come out. We're gonna start taking a look at the car. I'm gonna explain all the different damage areas, show them what's up with it, and see what it's looking like to fix this thing up. But let me open this so we can get inside the car. So, not sure how well you guys can hear me with all the traffic and stuff, but I got that quote from the shop, and it's honestly not looking too good. I showed him everything that needed to get done, and we're looking at a crap ton of money, like a lot of money, more than I expected, to be honest. I was budgeting for around 4,000 to 5,000, but it's gonna be a lot more. So he said basically just off what he can see right now, we're looking at close to $8,000, so $7,800 to be exact. And he said that's without taking into consideration some of the other work they're gonna run into when they cut open the rockers, because again, the previous guy fixed the rockers, but we don't know how well he fixed it. So we need to go back in, recheck his work, fix his work if he did anything stupid, which I'm guessing he did because he did something stupid on the rest of the car. So my guess is for the rust repair from this shop, at least we're looking at close to $10,000, which is a lot more than I expected. So, time to go find out what else to do. At least I got Old Reliable here. Hopefully this thing doesn't break down anytime soon. I actually got the axle. If you've seen some of my older wide body kit videos, you know I actually busted my rear axle boot, and the dealership actually came back and said they'll fix it. So we just got this car back and we got our axle fixed. So this is gonna be the primary focus for the upcoming videos, whatever that's gonna entail. I'm not really sure yet. So yeah, we'll see how it goes and just continue enjoying this while we have it too. So as you guys can see, we came to this little garage up here. We're just shooting the Dodge because there's nothing really else to do with the E30. Good news is we might have found a shell, so I'm reaching out to the guy. He's not very responsive, so I'm not sure if we're gonna be able to get it. We're also reaching out to another shop for another quote, which is gonna be a little bit cheaper. That shop was charging me $170 per hour of labor. This new shop is charging about $90, so we might get lucky with that and see how that goes. But like I said, we're still weighing out all our options. I'm even still thinking about selling it. So yeah, at this point it's just a waiting game, and we'll find out what happens in the next one, I guess.